She said, don't let it go to your head. Boys like you are a dime a dozen. Boys like you are a dime a dozen. She said, you're a touch overrated. You're a lush, and I hate it. But these grass stains on my knees, they won't mean a thing. And oh, I need to know is that I'm something you'll be missing. Maybe I should hate you for this. Never really did ever quite get that far. Maybe I should hate you for this. Never really did ever quite get that. I'd never lie to you unless I had to. I'll do what I got to. Unless I had to, I'll do what I got to. The truth is you could slit my throat, and with my one last gasping breath, I'd apologize for bleeding on your shirt. And all I need to know is that I'm something you'll be missing. Maybe I should hate you for this. Never really did ever quite get that far. Maybe I should hate you for this. Never really did ever quite get that. Cause I'm a wishful thinker with the worst intentions. This'll be the last chance you get to drop my name. Cause I'm a wishful thinker with the worst intentions. This'll be the last chance you get to drop my name. If I'm just bad news, then you're a liar. If I'm just bad news, then you're a liar. If I'm just bad news, then you're a liar. If I'm just bad news, then you're a liar. If I'm just bad news, then you're a liar. If I'm just bad news.
Yo, what is up, everybody? Welcome in. Hey, Roars, blah bands. Heck yeah. Welcome to Emo Thursdays. I don't know if I'm gonna ever remember each day, but I think as long as we play a different genre of music for each stream, it's all good. Today felt like an emo day, for sure. Welcome in, everybody. Hope everyone's having a great Thursday, right? Today's Thursday. Emo Day 43. Boom. Taking Back Sunday, I mean, that's, like, can't get more emo than that, you know what I'm saying? Which is really great, because old Taking Back Sunday is like, man, it's like the best. Oh, were there tea yesterday? Heck yeah. That's awesome. I don't have one. Should get one. For a metal gig? Who'd you see yesterday? I went to a show yesterday too. Wait, 2 days ago, not yesterday. Oh, In This Moment, nice. I've always wanted to see them live. They have some pretty good stuff. Hailstorm I haven't heard of, or New Year's Day. That's awesome though. Did you have a good time? All right, so day 43 of Grüvee. We're working on the comment section, and we've actually gone fairly far. Like, we are at the point where our state matches up with everything. Let me run this stuff so we can do a little overview. Third time I've seen In This Moment. Oh, heck yeah. That's cool. There's this one song that I like from them a lot. I can never remember the name of it. But I really think that might be the only song I know by them. but I love that song. Just can't remember the name. But yeah, today basically the game plan is to add the add comment section, and then possibly doing like a reply to comment, which will be good. Yeah, possibly. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. But I feel like maybe a reply to comment would make sense. We just probably have to set up some sort of UI for that. Is it horror? It's amazing. No, hold on. Let me look on my phone. I'm pretty sure I have it probably like actually downloaded in my music app. Since now it's kind of bugging me. Now I'm kind of wondering if it is in this moment. It has to be. I don't know how else I've heard of them. It's called Forever. Haha, yeah. It's from an album from 2008 called The Dream. I'll have to check out that one though. If you say it's amazing. All female seniors metal gig? That's sick. That's what I like. That's what I like. All right. So if we go to comments, we have this guy here. And so the game plan now is to add just our input section down below. And so what I'm thinking is something like this, but we basically will do an expand, right? So like as you write, the text field should expand. So I'm wondering now if we should also we'll have to put probably some separator, right? But for now, let's just at least get this thing out there. I'm gonna do this. I don't feel like really like redesigning this right now, so I'm just gonna take this, pretty much go like this, and then we'll just do like a quick little design session on this guy. New Year's Day made an all-female mosh pit. So what happened if there was a non-female in there? There was a male. Did he get kicked out? They yelled at him. Get out of here. Hey, I can appreciate that. It always amazes me sometimes. There's these like small girls that are like 5 foot that just throw down, and I'm like, holy shit, man. I like that. That's what's up. Nice. All right, so I'm thinking something. I mean, essentially, we can do this, right? And then we just do a... Oh my god, this song, though. Wow. It's been so long. I'm thinking we can literally just use... What's going down? We can use that same plus button that we have throughout the app. So this guy here. Let's do this. When you push her around, Alright, essentially you can just use this here. We'll do a border radius of, oh. I think this is going to be probably like that. 8. Put a corner radius of 8 on this guy. Oh, what? Oh, oopsie. Excuse me. And then we have something like this. And essentially what will happen is as you write, it should expand just like every other text editor. You press that, you add your text, you add your comment, boom, we done. Now I'm curious now. I'm gonna look on my phone real quick. But I'm pretty sure. Oh no. So on iPhone at least, the send button follows it down. But I don't think we're gonna do that. I think what we should do, maybe we should keep it centered the whole time. I guess maybe to start with, we'll just keep it at the top. It looks kind of weird though. But anyways, something along those lines. And then essentially we just update it. And then yeah, just push up the list and you'll see your newest comment. I'm gonna move this down just a tiny bit more. Functionality? Yeah, for sure. Let's group that. We'll say text input. Yeah, something like that. I think that's good though. It reuses the same button that people are familiar with, so they know it's gonna add something. Yeah, so I guess let's just make this component. And we should be good to go there. So I probably will put that in a common, right? Components common, and then we'll call this maybe expanding text input. Or maybe we call it dynamic text input. I like that better. I don't like expanding. Dynamic text input. Okay. And then for this guy, we'll need a index.js. And then we're going to need our dynamic text input.js. And another dynamic text input.style.js. Have you seen the emos and dead YouTube parodies? I have. They're freaking awesome. They make me laugh so much. Make me so happy. They ironically make me so happy. Close out this thing. Yo, what's up? You know any place to ask about shell scripting, regexec, and command line? I mean, specifically, no. I mean, Reddit's always a good place to go if you're looking for, like, specific questions like that. Stack Overflow, yeah. I mean, if you find Twitch streamers that are doing programming streams like that, sure. Click to ban you? What? Why are you getting banned on Stack Overflow? He's hardcore bash nerd. Grab these guys. Just getting this set up here. Yeah, I mean, and you're more than welcome to ask here. I just don't know how many of us will actually know. I know that I've seen a couple streamers that do a lot of scripting stuff like that, but I personally don't know much about it. I don't know if anyone else in chat does. I wish your boyfriend was here. Roars, bring in your boyfriend. Yeah, get him in here. We got an emergency. Oh, what? Oh, feels bad. Alright, so we got this stuff here, and then we just need to do our style. Alright, so we're in business. So at this point, what we need to do then is just start creating our text views. So I think I found this article here using text input, which will be sweet. We're gonna have to use some state as well. If it was dodgy, yeah, that would make sense.
There's a place off Ocean Avenue where I used to sit and talk with you. We were both
I'm just gonna grab this, and then we're gonna remove all the fluff that we don't need. Like this. Oh wait, we're using text input somewhere else. Hey, Silly, what's up? Welcome in. I'm happy it's emo day. I'm happy too. It's been it's a nice change of pace. I'm pretty sure I'm using a text. Yeah, okay, so I'm just setting it like that. It's everywhere I see. Forgot about placeholder. I'm just adding this stuff so I can copy it in. Yo, what's up, bunny? Oh, what's emo? Dude, emo? My god. It's the angsty teenager inside of all of us. Okay, so this is interesting. They set the text, no problem, and then the content size. Event mode, event content size. So the content size of our text view, which is cool. Okay, so let's do our. We need to get our set state set up. Our use state. Under const. And we will do. Yeah, I think I can remove this finally. What doesn't it like here? Oh, the fact that I have this here. Comment. Set comment. Used state. Just an empty string there, buddy. And then at this point, our value will just be comment. Hey, Eli, good morning, man. Welcome in. I'm finally a legit open source contributor. Been there, done that. Got the T. Oh, I was actually really disappointed in myself. I didn't do it this year. I suck. The t-shirt's very cool though. I think I did like 2 PRs or something. So you get my PR approved. Oh snap, it's still in review, man? Holy moly. Cool. So we can, it looks like our on change event, we can grab the event and then we can also do set comment of we were using events somewhere else as well. I wonder if we just grab this and then we can do a another state const input text height, or text input height. And then set text input height. We're gonna start that off at use state of. I'm gonna start at 44 because I think that's what we're gonna want to do. But we'll have to see. And then we'll do a set text input height of this guy. And then we remove this guy. Nice. How's Grüvee going? It's going pretty well, Eli. Thanks for asking. Been really. We're getting there. Slowly but surely we are getting there. We're currently working on the add comment section, so we're pretty much going to be implementing this component right here. And type a comment, add it, and it gets set into our data, which would be awesome. Yeah, no, that is true, Wars. But I think stuff like that really help out with that, you know? Like a shirt is a small incentive, but for a lot of people it's like, and it's an awesome incentive, so it's cool. It's hard for some people to maintain a lot of stuff. Well, there's still the CPP part, but I can't really start that until they approve the current Swift APIs. Yeah, that's pretty valid, man. Well, I can't wait to see them approve it. It's gonna be freaking exciting, man. I think if this is included, this means that it is true, right? And then that won't throw an error, from my understanding. So then on change, we get an event. Event native event set, comments at text input height. And then style. Oh, height. So it set a max height based on text input. Max height's 35 compared to text input height. I don't know what my max height's going to be, but 35 seems a little small. I feel like 100. We're just going to keep this for now like this, and then we're just going to test it out, and then we'll actually do the styling on it. But I do think this is good. Yeah, I feel good about this. Excuse me. So then what else do we need? That's about it. So let's go to our comments list here. Yeah, it does make sense. But yeah, it's sad. Hey, Capulora, what's up? Welcome. How does that use state work? Yeah, so it's a hook. It's a React Native hook, or I guess a React hook, right? So basically, you set this property here that is the value of your state, right? So every time a set comment or a set method is getting called, it actually sets the state or the hook of this property here. So on this section, right, on our text input on change, we're saying, hey, every time something in the text input is changed, let's take whatever that value is and set that in our like, let's hook that and set that in our state. And so it sets on this common property. And every time a set is called on your hook, it actually re-renders the component, which is what we're looking for. So this will do the same, right? Every time the height of the content is changed, it will also re-render the style of our input. Where does it store the state? So the state is a React thing. Yeah. Yeah, it's only component specific, correct? Yeah. So it's not like if I try to access comment in another component, I'll be able to. Yeah, I think Capulora is more talking about like, how is it scoped? Oh, gotcha. Yeah, no, it's not global. It's only scoped to the specific component. I think there is a way to access it though, right? If you use a useRef, if I'm not mistaken. Roars, please correct me if I'm wrong, but I think ref gives you access to like actually access that state property inside another component. Something like that. But we're going to take this component now, and then we're actually going to throw it inside our components list view. So now we're going to do this. Dynamic text input. Classic. And then, so we're gonna actually have to make a specific like add comment component using dynamic text input. You can use React Inspector, I believe, to inspect the local state on your component. React Inspector, I think you can. I think it works a little bit differently because we're using React Native. I don't know if we get access to React Inspector. Is this React Inspector? No, this is just a Chrome debugger. Oh, you may also install a standalone version of React Developer Tools. There you go. That would, yeah, there you go. Grüvee. Components, common, dynamic text inputs. Did I spell it wrong? Grüvee. Components. Components. Common. Dynamic text input. Oh, import should occur before import of components typo comment. Okay. My bad. Yeah, so Roars is right. We do a lot of that actually currently in here, where we actually pass down a method from another component into the component that we need that's doing the update, and so that actually calls it on the component that we pass it from. Yep, that sounds about right there. So I think we're gonna need to style this a tad bit. Height, we're gonna have to do, let's say, like an 80%, and then we're going to want to add a dynamic text input right here, and this thing, my finger on the trigger pad, text input. We'll do this at like a 10%. Let's go. Now we're gonna need to do a fragment. And then I think we'll have to set the, oh, actually let's just wait for this. I'm not sure if we'll actually need that because we do have our style set up. All right, let's see if we got anything. I think we should. Not using style components? No. Nah. We're using style sheets to write our styles. Hey, there it is. Yeah, this is exactly what I'm looking for. Seems a little tall there, buddy. Oh, because the height's 100. So let's do half of that. Or let's do... There's a minimum of 44. We have to do the safe area. That's one thing in iOS, so we have to always look out for. Safe areas? Yo, Perma, what's up, dude? Good morning, man. Nice to see you, my friend. Welcome, welcome, welcome. How are we doing today? Ah, okay. So I wonder, it's a safe area view. I wonder if we just throw this thing in there. like that. And then we just do a safe area view. And then this probably will actually need to go this way. I just got a job on as an API dev intern for my final semester of college. Yo! Congratulations, man. That's freaking sick. What company are you working for? An API dev intern. Holy moly. Bro, this guy's making moves, man. Making moves. Hello? Oh, I see. I see. Okay, so we ended up adding a height of 80% here, which is not the case. Yeah. There's that, though, so that's good. We need to do a height of 100%. And then we had to set a background color on our dude. Oh. Flight docks? Huh. I've never heard of flight docks. What is it? But I want Swift backend? Don't we all? Don't we all? Yeah, let's hear the story. Not all of us? Come on, Roars. You know you want to do a little bit of Swift. You know you want a tiny bit. Alright, fine. Not everyone wants to do Swift. Blah, blah, blah. So if I went here... Oh, I was like, what? What happened to my text input? When I type, cannot read property height of undefined. Native event. Interesting. Okay. I guess let's go ahead and do a... Let's just print out our event object and see what it says. Let me see what you say there. I don't mind CPP backend. Dude, C++ is not, It's I. Yeah. Scares me. Oh. I was like, why didn't it log? Okay, so I'm gonna type one thing there. So we have synthetic event. And then so I'm looking for native event. Native event is null. Okay. Well then, that's your problem. Let's just do inactive text input. Look for on change. Oh, on change text. We can do that. So what about on change text? We do this thing. Pass in this thing. Slow things down, I'll speed them up. Whatever it takes to stay away. That's honestly, it's not a bad point. Actually work for a Danish company? Oh, cool. What company is that, silly? So on change, callback that's called in the text input, text changes, change text is passed as a single string argument to the callback handler. On content size change, this is what I'm looking for. Whoa there, buddy. Callback that is called in the text. This will be called with native event content size with height. So it should be the native event then, right? Or is it going to be the event that's called? Guess we're about to find out. Okay, so basically I had an all-day project 9 to 5, so I had to make a post request and then basically take a JSON object, do some logic on that, and then return the original object with a new variable attached with that logic applied. I ran out of time for the final method. All it did was check two values and return whichever was higher, or return null if either were null. Well, they had me present in front of 30 developers and software engineers. Oh my god. Dude, that's legit scarring. Yeah, they must have really liked you then if you got it. Dude, they saw your potential. They're like, we're really fucking with this guy. But he's doing well under the pressure. They totally did that on purpose. You know that, right? Watch, they would have been like, they're like, ah, nah, he's good. Well, let's just mess with him. Let's keep messing with him. Hold up here. So synthetic event. Why does it come back as null? The heckle? But this is then just the event. And then should be like that. But on content size change, we're still getting null. Oh, I guess if nothing changes, right? Only called for multi-line text inputs? Yeah, let me see. Multi-line. Okay. I'm curious also to see if we're going to run into anything like this here. Yeah, that's definitely very daunting. Every typo is heartbreaking. Oh my god. Dude, the one thing that I don't hate, but it always like bothers me is I'm working on something, right? And then I asked one of my coworkers like, "Hey, do you mind coming and like looking at this with me and help me out?" So they come in and they're like, "Okay, to debug this, let's go here." And it's like maybe a debug tool that I've never used or something. And they're like, "Yeah, just go click on this one thing." And I'm like searching everywhere on the screen and it's right in front of my face. They're like, no, it's just like right here. And they just point at it and you feel like a freaking idiot. And that just happens over and over again. You might have missed a semicolon. Dude, what an experience. That's awesome, man. Legit though, that is so cool. Okay, cool. Here we go. We're getting our synthetic event. We're getting our native event, which is fine, I guess. Hey, do you see that expansion? Look at that. It's working. We just need to make it actually do something. Even more in love with me, you'd fall. We'd have it all. Oh, it's what you do to me. Oh, baby. Dude, you got a lot. You got a lot of pressure now. Don't let us down, okay? Get that job. That's awesome, man. Get that job and then use it as leverage to get other jobs. Oh, easy. Dude, that's so exciting, man. I'm really happy for you. It's really, really exciting. Hey, next time I come down around there, you gotta take me around your office, okay? Want to check it out?
Delilah, I can promise you that by the time we get through, the world will never
Oh, you know I'm gonna leapfrog. Hey, there we go. Yeah, man. I'd love to see your place of work. So how often do you work there? Is it like an everyday thing, or is it like only a couple times a week? All right, let's add some styling to this bad boy, huh?
You'll know it's all because of you. We can do whatever we want to. Hey there, Delilah, here's to you. This one's for you.
Oh, it's what you do to me. Let's do a border radius first. And it's style, constants, dots. I probably should fix this, but I wish it had autocomplete for this guy. I always forget my border radius thing. I think we'll go with base border radius. So we call base border radius there. And then we need a background color though. Background color, let's just do. I feel like we need this guy. Dynamic text inputs.
Hope dangles on a string, like slow spinning redemption, winding in.
Dynamic
winding out.
text
Shine of it
input
caught my
background
eye
color.
and roped me in, so mesmerizing, so hypnotizing. I am captivated. I am vindicated. I am selfish. I am
Yes, we did. We have missed you. It's 38 hours a week, so they will work around my schedule for school since I'm my last semester, but I also get to count as my final tech elective. Oh, nice. Heck yeah, dude. That's what's up. That's the way to do it. Dog Biscuit Engineer. Boom. Don't we all want to be that? Dog Biscuit Engineer. Okay, dynamic style text input. Oh shit balls, we're gonna have to do this thing, I forgot. We're gonna have to pass in our height over here. Oh there, buddy. Oh, can we not? There we go. Okay, so container text input. So our container at this point, we'll need to take pass in our text input height, and this is going to be styles. Boom. All right, let's see this bad boy. feel like a dog with a degree. I'm chasing cars. I'm being told when to sit at this point. I can't wait to get out. Yeah, I mean, I don't know. The only time I've ever been asked about school is when I was applying for internships. That's Purple said. I love it. Man, the positivity in here is exuderating. I love it. Hey, there we go. Oh, we should probably change the text color. And, Jesus. It's getting there, though. We're getting there. Pretty much did everything we wanted. So, the text color, first of all, should be... This is just white, so collab. All right, and then, oh, do I have to set that for? I don't remember. Let's see. Yeah, it shows, dude. Huh. Text input styles. Input. And input does have a color. Interesting. It's terrible? Let's take a look. Bro. Dude. Classic. Classic buttons. PNG. But this language of yours, said one of the instructors himself, an obvious Britisher. Interesting. Yeah, dude. Please do us all a solid and change that. There's a Yahoo map? Holy Jesus. Dude, classic. Oh my god. Yahoo Maps. Bro, Yahoo. Not even Bing Maps, dude. Yahoo Maps. The problem is it's working. That was just a PNG. Yo, what's up, Demon? And Balthazar, welcome in, folks. Problem. I like it. As a pacing music, and I change color, and I can't help but to hear. No, I can't help but to hear an exchanging of words. On a beautiful wedding. So why isn't this thing working? Did I save it? What a shame, the poor groom bride is a whore. I chime in with a haven't you people ever heard of closing a goddamn door? No, it's much better to face dynamic text input. Hello. We'll all look
mean, technically our marriage is saved. Well, this calls for a toast, so pour the champagne.
Oh, I love that.
Well, I'll look at it this way. I mean, technically our
So our
marriage
color
is
is
saved.
applied,
Well, this calls for a toast, so
but
pour the champagne, pour the champagne.
it ain't working. It's kind of odd.
I chime in with the haven't you people ever heard of? Closing a goddamn
Count your Fs.
door.
3 Fs? What?
Much better to face these kinds of things with force and rationality. I chime in, haven't you people ever heard of?
I'm also honored that you trust me enough to go to a website when you become famous. I highly recommend against that. Bro. all websites are welcome, you know what I mean? Learn to hex. Wait, what? Did I really? Oh. Oopsie. Thanks. I was like, what are you talking about? Hey. Okay. Thank you, Royce. Yeah, that's how I do it. I usually download all the exes. Hey, Holloway, what's up? Welcome in. Alright, we got that. Got our text. I feel like our width will have to be here. Oh, wait. I wonder... The content container. Yeah. So our padding should be this thing. But we'll do a horizontal padding. So it's not really the width.
Life has a funny way of showing itself. And a funny way of proving you wrong. You know everything happens for a reason, even when it feels like sitting in darkness.
I don't know why the autocomplete's not working now, but okay.
When it kicks you down, you get up regardless. You're not living life in your comfort zone. You're just wasting valuable.
Is horizontal padding not the thing? No, it is the thing. I know it is. It's not the thing. Because if it was, then it would have worked, right? It's gross, that's why not? Oh, okay. True life right there. The song preaches. Margin? No, we're using padding here for our flat list. Yeah. So we have the padding here. This is what I wanted to use as well. But I did just use a padding 20, but I want to just do the horizontal padding, right? Is that what it's called? None of the like autocomplete's working here anyways. Let me try this real quick though. Oh, there it is. It is working, but I guess we might need margin, yeah. Oh, yeah, we will need margin because we're not doing it, because we're not doing, like the internal content. It's the actual, component itself. Wow, I feel like I can't talk. Still nothing though? I thought horizontal margin, or is it margin horizontal? I thought there was that thing that just does the left and the right. Am I insane? Margin horizontal. Ah, okay. Thanks, Riss. That's like, that was crazy. What's the container? Yeah, I should probably change that. It should probably be input. So input is right here. That's our text input, and then our input. That's the actual style. Okay, cool. And then we need a placeholder text. Gotcha. Yeah. No, thanks, Royce. Thank you. Placeholder text color. We're gonna want to bring in styles dot.
With your arm left beside one thing and one more says goodnight. You've got the mind. Come get to me.
This is probably expecting. Yeah, we won't be able to do that. I want this one. But I also don't want to import styles. I don't want to import the style constants back in there. Wonder if I can just do. Can I just do a text placeholder text color? I think I can do this, right? Oh, no, I need an object. You're crazy. I noticed that it's not changed. Also true. And in this moment, I became a UI UX expert. I don't want to import style sheets in here. Or do I? No. I don't already have it, right? It's kind of annoying. The style contents is already here. I don't want to do it for one property. Might have to though. Oh, oh wait, I can do this. Yeah. Let's go, Alec. Nice. We can do this. Right, this is the thing. Wait, what's wrong here? Or do I not need the brackets? Is there a command to see the song? Yeah, you can just do exclamation point song or festify. Remove from style constants. I like this band. This is good. If it's not default, you need curlies. Okay, gotcha. So not default, you need curlies, which means I need curlies here. Yeah, this is good. I like this. But then, where do you import this from? You haven't used it in the return? Well, there's no return. Yo, Xylon, what's up? Thank you so much for the follow. Welcome to the Pixologic team, my friend. Glad to have you here. Hey, nice emo, bro. Wow, I like it. Oh. So the way that I usually do it is import star as style constants from here. So do I need to follow this same sort of flow then? Or this same sort of layout? It would be something along the lines of like import blah from style constants, yeah. That's what I had. Right, but it doesn't like that. Oh, placeholder text color. Maybe that might be why. Yeah, okay. Let's try this. All right. Hey, I'm doing good, Xylon. How you doing today? Welcome in. Thanks for coming by. Still working through some React Native code right now. We got there. Yeah. The reason why I was getting confused is because the linter wasn't picking this up with the spacing between the curlies. So I was like, what the heck's going on? But I didn't read the error. It was that. Hey. Dance, Gavin, dance? Heck yeah. Having some problems with my website, but everything is going fine. Oh no! What's going on with the website? Yes, definitely a little padding. For sure. You know, yeah, I know it's you, dude. Yo, you better come here next year, man. April 22nd. It's going to be a hell of a show. Veil of Maya as well. My shopping cart won't appear. Ignore the buttons? Oh, no. A Xylon. Why, dude? St. Petersburg show? Come on, dude. Makes sense, though. It's obviously a lot closer. Okay, so I need some padding here. Did I have something for my inputs? I don't believe I did. I think I probably was inconsistent and just added it somewhere else. Yeah, looks like I did that here. So we should probably change that. Just do text input. Input text input padding. Oh, they're from Clearwater? Holy crap, I had no idea. What the hell? That's dope. You both need to come down to Download Festival because System of a Down. Dude, oh my god, yes. When is Download Festival, Roars? Actually, I kind of want to look into that. It's coming up, right? Or sometime like mid next year, I think. All right, so we're gonna do this thing called text input padding, and we're going to do this real quick. We're gonna change this just to text input backgrounds. Yes. Do that there. And then we do our padding as so, and that should hopefully give us the desired outcome. Yeah, buddy, there we go. Hey, I am a cool thing that goes here. Oh my lord. I forgot about that. Oh, June. Baby Metal. I've never seen Baby Metal. I've been very interested to. All right, let's take a look at this real quick. Hold on now, Day. Yo, Kasuken. Coming in with those 6 fresh, brand new devs. Holy bejesus. Welcome in, Kasuken. Thank you so much for that raid. And thanks for bringing in all the fresh new devs to the channel. Yo, 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 yo. How's it going today, friend? Everyone from Kasuken's channel, huge shout out. Thank you for coming in. My name's Alec. We're working on a React Native mobile app for music collaboration by creating playlists and things like that. Currently, we're looking at Download Festival, and then we'll get back to that. But yeah, welcome in, everybody. Thanks for coming in. Thanks for coming in. Hey, thanks. How was your stream, dude? Yo, Disturbed? Black Veil Brides? Killswitch Engage? Periphery! Oh, baby. My homies. Alright, so June 12th to the 14th. How much are these tickets? $250? Alright, I'm gonna start planning this. I will be there. I want to go. I have to work now? Alright, Kasuken. Appreciate the raid again, friend. Thanks for being here. Alice Storm, though? Yeah, for reals. Yo, Tess Stun. Thank you so much for the follow. Welcome to the Pixelogic team. Glad to have you here. Yo, I'm like, for real. I'm so down. If I start planning that now, I can make it out there. I've been wanting to go to Download Festival for a while. There's some really good bands I go. So let's plan this thing. Can I get corn, but like the only first 3 albums? All right. Oh, that's a weird. What? Oh, that's interesting. So it does look like it's expanding. Oh, but that makes sense. This is how it would do it, right? But then we got something like that, right? So we have to set a max height. I mean, that's a lot for a comment. But, I mean, that would do it, right? Not super smooth. It gets the job done, right? I think we should make the text a little bit larger as well. But we need to set a max height on this thing, because we don't want it to get too large. Right? And so if we come here... Yeah, I think we'll think there's a max height property. Oh, there's max length. thought there was a max height. Yo, good luck, Perma. Thanks for stopping by, dude. I will talk to you soon, my friend. Have a good one. I guess there isn't a max height. I guess we probably need to like. I think if we center this a little bit, it would probably work, right? Text align. So if true, the text looking at multiple lines. The default is false. Aligns the text to the top on iOS and centers it on Android. Text align. I think I would probably just end up doing center, right? Yeah, like that shouldn't be like that. You need a max height. Hey, what's up, Vegas? Welcome in. Oh, this is. Oh, is text align? Is that on the actual input itself, though? I think it is. No, it's not. Yeah, I know I need a max height. But there is no max height on the text input itself, so we won't be able to do that. Right? Yeah, there's no max height. I thought there is in CSS though. Okay, there is, so I can use this. So let's set a max height to like 150 for now. Is using ARKit and Core ML together a difficult thing to master? Well, I mean, you can't technically use them together because they're for different platforms, right? But I mean, they're essentially the same thing. They just have their caveats depending on the platform. 220? Sure. And I think I need a... No, I think 44 is good. God, I keep forgetting that. I think this is too large. Why isn't my inspector? Great. Now the time that I want my inspector to work, it doesn't work. Why does this always happen? That's what she said? Oh! No, I think around 100, maybe like 120. Oh, sorry. I thought you said, I didn't read Core ML. I read, Android's, augmented reality thing. AR Core. My bad, dude. You want 5x44? Ooh. Using that fancy math. So like 5 lines. That's not 5 lines at all. That's 5 of those stacks. Math, bro. Daddy. Okay. All right. I can see you. I can hear you. Okay, so it'd be about right there. Daddy, daddy, daddy. I think we'd probably be good at 100, honestly. Like, I don't expect people to make some. I mean, maybe. I don't know. Guess we could see, but. Hey, Mason SF, thank you so much for the follow. Welcome to the Pixelogic team. Glad to have you here, friend. Now you just need a markdown capability? Yeah, probably not. I don't think people are going to use markdown in here. Maybe future feature request. I don't know why it does this. It's kind of bothersome. There we go. Why is the padding on top only 5? Oh, because there's literally a padding top of 5. Why is that there? What? Did I do a padding top somewhere? Where the heck is this padding top coming from? Heights, max height, margin, padding, border, background, color. Where are you coming from?
Tell me what you thought about when you were gone.
Does text input automatically have a padding top? It might. It honestly might. So you might have to overwrite it. Let's see if this overrides it. Yeah, dude, that is so weird. And you would think that padding in general would remove it all. Oh, you know what I'm not taking into account, I think? Which is why the height seems kind of janky. Is the padding, right? That's like, because it's delayed. It's delayed how it goes down, or like it expands. If we do the, yeah, text, exactly. I'm thinking that plus 10. But, so we have 8 on top and 8 on the bottom. I guess it would just be the top though, because we want to push it down. So it should be plus. Oh, let's bring in, I guess, this thing. How do I remove the first bytes in a buffer? Isn't a buffer just an array that you could loop through like that? Let's see if this thing works. I didn't really see if that. Yeah, no, that actually seems like it's working. Yeah, there we go. Awesome, so that seems to be it. Though I really want to center align this thing. Text align, I think it was, right? Text align vertical. Shouldn't this be center? Actually, JS Wizard. Yo, Catamark, what's up? What, I'm too small brain? Oh no. Dude, get a bigger brain, man. Let's say that's just not working. What's zlib? I'm confused by this. I don't know why this is like that. I wonder if it's because iOS always aligns it to the top. So iOS will align to the top, but Android will align to the center. I'm only 10? Oh, okay. Nice. Yeah, you gotta expand the brain. And you came to the right spot to expand the brain, my friend. Oh, compression algorithm. So I think that's good. I think that's going to be pretty solid. The next thing that we're going to need to do... Yeah, let's commit this, and then we're going to need to add the plus button to add our comment. And that's about it. Git commit. Adding initial dynamic text input. We're doing it, friends. We're doing it. I need to expand the brain to level 50 unlock coding. Hell no, dude. You could do it right now. You just gotta do it. Just sit down and start coding. That's it. I promise you can do it. Just take some time, you know? Alright. So now we're gonna need to create a new component. And this component is going to utilize dynamic text input, but we're also going to use our add button. Yeah. I think that's add item button, yeah. So we have our add item button, and then we pass in... What do we pass in? We pass in the action. Oh, modal navigation action. That definitely should be renamed. I'm only level 29, and I'm like rank 5 coding. I like that. Gotta start somewhere. Heck yeah. It's true. Wait, what's like rank 5 coding? Does that mean like five-year-old coding? I don't know what program to use. Well, what do you want? What would you want to program? Would you want to make a website? Would you want to make a, I don't know, an iPhone app? Would you want to make a game? Like, all those things come into account, you know? All right, we're gonna change the name of this thing and make it more generic. Yeah, so let's change this to be so this is the add item button. We'll call this add item action. This is pretty sick. So we got this set up like that, and we're gonna want to do this. We will definitely need a fragment here, and we're gonna do dynamic text input. Or will we need a fragment? Yeah, I think we do. Set a style and then add item action. So up here, let's create our actions. And we're going to say const add comment action. And we just do right now, hi, I'm adding an action. or add item action. Excuse me. So like that, and then the style will pass in a little bit later. Oh, but we can do a view here instead, because this view is actually going to. We're gonna need to set a style. Yeah, we're gonna need to set a style where we do a horizontal flex. Ugh. So flex direction. Okay, and then add comment text input. This should be component, add comment text input. All right. So we do this thing here. So instead of this, just add comment text input. And again, we go over here. We have our view that has a horizontal flex direction. So it has our actual input, and then we have our button. And add comment action goes there. We'll probably need to pass down the add action as well, when I think about it, into our dynamic text input here. Or I'm sorry, here. So we go in here. And let's go ahead and npm run start this guy. Oof, one of my favorites. These sheets tell regrets. Basylicious. Ooh, baby. Thank you so much for the follow. Welcome to the Pixelogic team, my friend. Glad to have you here. All right, so we come in here. Oh, column or row. Gotcha. I need to do row. My bad. Wow, what the heck happened here? Hello? Well, that doesn't look very correct. What? The add comment text input is the entire view. Why? It's kind of weird. Okay. Well, maybe what we should do then is it's really weird. We need to do a. Oh, but my other input's not showing up in here. I guess let's try just setting the height and seeing what happens. Because it should appear right here, right? Such a sucker. Yeah, I guess they're just passing the style. Usually use flex. Well, I did flex row here, but what I'm talking about set, no, I'm not talking about a set height. I'm talking about well, I guess I am talking about a set height, but I'm on the on the parents. Well, so how would I do something like I want this to be 80% of the view and I want this to be the other 20%? Using flex. Is that a thing? Swipe list. No, container in general. Don't shake. Because here, let me try doing a flex direction. I thought flex direction always started as a column, if I'm not mistaken, right? Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's the case. It would have to be... Oh, thank you. Flex will find how items are going to fill over the available space along your main axes. In the following example, red, yellow, and green views are all children container view that has flex 1. The red view uses flex 1, the yellow view uses flex 2, and the green view uses flex 3, so 1, 2, 3 equals 6, which means that the red view will get 1/6 of the space, the yellow 2/6 of the space, and 3/6 of the space. Okay. So 4 and then 1, so 1/4. Got it. So then the container should have a flex of 1. Just curious to see what that does to begin with. And then our add comment text input, this should have a flex of 4. Oh, nice. Wow. It's actually pretty lit. Wow, thanks, Royce. That's pretty dope. But now I need to figure out this thing here. Flex 1. Oh, I did it the wrong way. Oh, right, because this is only going to be 1/4. Yeah, thank you. Yo, Dilda, howdy. Why don't you use grid system instead of flex? So React is pretty much built on flex, so that's why we use that. And personally, I like flex better anyways. I need to do a width on this thing. Well, so Roar's content container though is this thing. Right, so we have let's go back to comment list. Well, it's just the inside, right? So the actual container is the... Oh, I see. I think I did it. Hey, nice. Yes, okay, sorry. I was confusing myself already. So here, since this is a child of our safe area view, this gets that. But then what happens to... But then, so this thing here doesn't need a flex. One. But it does. It needs some sort of flex on it. No, okay. I think you're thinking that this content container, that's only for the swipeless view itself. So that won't get applied to this. But if we have a 1 here, we have a 4 here, and then we had a 4 here. Hey, what's up, Blast Eater? Welcome in. So it's 1 plus 4 plus 4. Right? Is that how that thing works? So it'd be 9? But I have 3 sections, right? Or I have 2 sections. So if I did a 1, I want my swipeless view to be... I want it to be 1/3 of the view. So then wouldn't this be a 3? And then if I think I'm missing something here, but then this would be a 4. Parent 1, first child 4, second child 1. Oh, because if this was a 4, this would be 4/7, right? So this would be 1/4. Wait, this is 1. All right, doing some flex box math here. We have 1 plus 3 plus 1, which is 5. So then content container would be 3/5 of the view, and then it would be 1/5, right? So then 4. Put a 1 there. Hey, GLL321, thank you so much for the follow. Welcome to the Pixlogic team. Glad to have you here, my friend. This looks like it's applying half. So this is interesting that this works. I think this is a little different because this is like, this is a content inside of our swipeless view. And so like this is a like here's a parent, here's a child, but then this is a child of a child, if that makes sense. So I don't think you actually need a flex on here, a flex value, and then in here we should have 4. To have it like that. Something along those lines. I can't make a Flash game because it requires stencil and I can't download stencil. Why can't you download it? What happened? Why 4? So if we do container 1 plus 4 is 5. So then we have I'm not really understanding the 1 in the parent. Means red view will get 1/6. Yeah, because then how would that make sense? Because we would want this top view. Hold on, let me do something real quick. Let me do a colored background. So we can imagine this a little easier. I think that usually helps me. So you can see where this thing is. Yo, Catamark2, thank you so much for the follow, dude. Welcome to the team. Thanks for being here. Parent flex height equals 100%. Right. That makes sense. Oh, interesting. Okay, so our container, right, which is our safe area view here, we have 100%, right, which is 1, the flex 1. And then we have the black background, which is our content. So the swipeless view itself, it shouldn't be on the content container style. It should be on the actual swipeless view itself, right? I need to do this here real quick. Yeah, no, what you're saying before I think would have made sense. So it's weird that doesn't work. I don't know why this thing is... like, what? Where's my button? This is an interesting one too. The tab was muted. Well, welcome. Okay, so flex 4. No, I think this makes sense, right? Because we are containers 1, which is 100%. But I'm curious why. Nice animation, by the way. Hey, thanks, Balthazar. Appreciate it. Oh, that makes no sense. Actually makes perfect sense, silly. Yeah. Don't you know when you compress things, it makes them larger? I know why. Tell me why. Scroll up. Okay. Sorry, one second. Swipe list view. This thing? Or are you just talking about over here? No, yeah. And Town Sense doesn't work. Like, I have this, so... Oh, is it the scroll view, maybe? Swipeless view. Oh, how it's applying the style. Well, so... I mean, I understand this, right? This is only getting applied to the content inside of our container. but it's not our actual swipeless view itself, right? So like, I wonder if I add a style here. I don't know if this will actually work. Right? Container, one child, another child. Yeah, so this would have made sense, right? Because this is 1/4 of the view. So we would have had to apply the flex style on our swipeless view itself. Yeah, that makes sense. It's 1/4 of the view, but we want this to be more than 1/4. We want this to be 3/4. So how would we do that if we did a flex 1? The red view is flexed to 1. You get 1/6. Well, if I set this to, I set that to 4, so it would have been like 1/8. Bigger child gets bigger flex number? Okay. So I did that with 4, and then this should be 1. So that would be 7 or something, right? So it'd be 1, 1, 2, 6. But it still only does half. But it depends on this NPM. This is out of 5. Oh, does the parent one not count? I thought the parent one did count. Oh, no, it doesn't. It's just the children. Okay. Well, what we could do, is just not do this. Oops. And just do this, and we should be good. Not sure why, but feel like your logic makes sense there, or it's probably how it's being applied. Yeah, no, this is good, but I do think I don't know why this is freaking weird. Swipeless view is a meanie? What a meanie. This is interesting because this is like, what is that? Why is that there? Why is it still black? Oh. Oh, Jesus. No, we don't want that. Swipeless view is a bully. There must be some padding around here or something. This is our swipe list. It's our comments list. Swipeless view is this whole thing. Then we have this thing. I think it's the non-compatibility with Flex. It could be. It could be. We would have to dig into the source code to see what's going on there. This is weird though. That shouldn't be happening.
Where are you? And I'm so sorry. I cannot sleep. I cannot dream tonight. I need somebody and always. This sick, strange darkness comes creeping on, so haunting every time. And as I stared,
I think this is what
webs from all the spiders.
with Flex to 4. Oh no. Well, we are technically. So the container. Oh, you mean just the swipeless view itself? Yeah, I'm down to try it. Let's see what happens. And then we need to import view here. And then Flex 4. And we have Flex 1. Just loaded. Are you stuck there, buddy? Maybe a little bit. Think you're a little bit stuck there. Let's see it. Let's try it again. That would be interesting if that's the case. I think that worked, right? I broke it with my hacky ways. I mean, this looked like it worked. And then we just need to make, because I took away the flex from, oh, I didn't. I did Flex 1. But I think that makes sense. So that looks like it worked. But if I want it to be larger, I'd put a 5 here, right? Or a 6 here. Or an 8 here. I don't. Yeah, there we go. How large can we get? That's good. Linus Codes, what's up? Thank you so much for the follow. Welcome to the Pixelogic team, my friend. Glad to have you here. Something appeared on my screen? Ooh. Well, so then what does this mean? What are we gonna do here? Oh, it won't change the flex. Oh, because we're using oops. Yeah. Yeah. That won't be good. You make the flex bigger dynamically? Yeah. So instead of setting the height, we set the flex. But the thing is, like, now just for shits and gigs, Let's see this. Something happened appear on my screen. What? Wait, why are you selecting that? Nah, it doesn't work. Interesting. So it looks like if we wrap it in this view, we could use flex like that. But I feel like it might not make sense. I feel like we should just... I think we should just keep it how we had it before, because we're still going to have to change the input size of the height, right? So it's either we change it to use this wrapping view, or we just set the height, or like a percentage. I wasn't going to set a static height. It would have been a percentage of the view, right? So this would have just been a percentage of whatever the screen is.
Take a step towards me so you can figure me out. I've been hoping and praying for a single way.
Yeah.
To show you what I'm all
Let's mark this here so we know. I'm gonna edit this one.
When this is over and done with and we walk away, there should be no doubts. So let's get a little closer now. Let's get a little closer now. You say that we're all tied up and wrapped around in you slay.
You just use a hacky way of flex, or just set percentage heights. Cool. Yeah, that looks like what we might have to consider, but alrighty folks, that's going to be the end of today's stream. Appreciate you all coming out today. Thanks for all the follows and good times. I hope you enjoyed the stream today. And Emo Thursdays. Tomorrow, I don't know. We'll see what tomorrow genre of music will be. But if you're new to the channel, consider giving it a follow. Would love to have you back. Get notified when I go live. I'm here 3 times a week. Usually changes. I try to do Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays from 5:30 a.m. PST and 12:30 p.m. UTC. So would love to have you back. And we also have a Discord server where people come in, showcase their projects, ask programming questions, you know, talk about careers and all that fun stuff, and just post memes like any Discord server, right? So consider joining the Discord server, following the channel. Would love to have you back. Appreciate you being here. Hey, thanks, Silly. Yeah, you enjoy your day too, man. Thanks for being here like always. But at the end of every stream, I love throwing raids. So today we're going to throw a raid to another programming streamer right here on Twitch. And if you are a sub, grab that first message, Adelan Rip the Bun. And if not, no worries. Grab the second one, Twitch Raid Rip the Bun. Should be a good time. Kebab Skull. I think we raided him fairly recently. Let's see if we have any new programming streamers out there in the world. I usually look for web development because that one usually has a good amount of people in there. Building a web-based podcast player. Ooh, let's do this. This guy is fresh, brand new. Yo, good luck. Good luck, Cat. I hope it works out for you, man. That's how you start. Alright, we're gonna raid this dude. Max 00355. Oh no! He's leaving. Who's this Rose Rainbow? Oh! Let's do this. Might as well. A lady dev. Just fine. Everyone, grab that raid message. Let's show Rose Rainblood some love. Thanks for being here on the stream today. I will catch you here, same time, same place, tomorrow. See you then, folks. Have a great rest of your day. Thanks again.